Alright, so welcome to the second edition of the media importation class, guys. So today I will be hammering more on the kind of product to source when you want to buy goods from China and resell them in Nigeria. Okay. So yesterday I showed you some few tricks on how to get products that are actually doing well before importing them. So today I'll be showing you other websites to use as well. So before moving forward, I'll need you to like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more notification about videos like this going forward. So who is this guide for? This video is made for stay-at-home moms, okay? It is also for those who need a second source of income. If you already have a job and you feel that, okay, the situation of the country is quite terrible and you need another source of income to augment what you already have, then this video is for you. And if you are in the unemployed category, you can also jump into this video, because what you are about to learn in this video, it's financially, should I say, will change your financial status. Yes. So how to source for hot selling product, part 2. Now, in the last video, if you've not watched that video, I urge you to go back and watch that video before proceeding with this one. You should just pause here, go back and watch that one, because this is just an augmentation to the previous video. Now, let's proceed. One of the websites to use is Amazon.com. So I'll be showing you how to source for those products on Amazon. So let's go. Amazon.com, enter it. Now, once you are here, you come to this place here where you see all. Then, shop by department, right? You come down here, depending on what you want to buy, but let's say I want to buy probably female wears or luxury gadgets. I'll come here, see all. So let's say I want to go to women's fashion, so you click here, women's fashion. Then let's say shoes. Let's see what they're actually selling under shoes. Now, this is where the trick is. Once you are here, right, just come to, let me say, select women. Then once you are here, come to where you see this place, sort by, select best sellers. Remember, select best sellers. So this is where you get idea of which items are actually selling the most. Now, let's scroll down a little bit and look at this high heel here. Can you come down here and see something? 100 plus bought in past months. That means this high heel you're saying here, more than 100 purchase has been made the last 1 month. Okay. Now, there are other nice ones. And look at this women's knee-high boot, 100 plus. So on this page, you get products that are selling very high. Okay, let me check something else. Let's go back again. Let's say Let's go back again. Come to see all. Under women's fashion, let's say clothing. So which kind of clothes are actually selling? Now come to here, sort by, select best sellers. So if you want to go into women's clothing, this is how you check for items that are selling well. Now look at this skirt. Over 2,000 bought in the last 1 month alone. I've seen this skirt among Nigerian ladies a lot. So it means this product is selling very well. Now there are several of them. Look at this. 100 plus spots. Everything here you see are top sellers. So you can decide to dive into any of them. Look at this casual blouse. Bras for women. Over 2,000 bought in the past 1 month. So forget about all the prices you are seeing here. $19, $12. In the other video, I showed you where you can actually get this same product, same quality for less. Okay, that's what I'm saying. If you've not watched that video, go back and watch that video. So I won't be diving into that part on where to get this same product for a lesser price. So back. So the second website I'll be showing you is aliexpress.com. So let's jump to it. Close this one. Let's go to AliExpress. So once you are in AliExpress, what you do is come to all categories. Okay, this time around, let me check under jewelry and watches. Select it. Jewelry and watches. Let me see. Select any one among them here. Let me select this watch. Now, once you are in this page, you come here where you see sort by, right? You come to others, select others. Now it will rearrange everything here based on the number of purchases. Oh, this is not what I want. It's giving me spare part. It's giving me spare part of watch. Let me go to something else. Okay, let me come here. Lingerie. Now, let's check nightgowns. So under nightgowns here, you filter it by orders. Let's see the type of gowns that are actually selling the most this period. Now look at this gown here. It's saying that 4,000 pieces has been sold so far. This is a nice buy. Now look at this one. Over 1,000 pieces sold. Now forget about all the prices you are seeing here. Even on AliExpress, there is another website that is even cheaper to get the same products from. Now you can see the top sellers. Now look at this sexy underwear. More than 1,000 pieces has been sold so far. So these are items that you can actually ship to Nigeria and sell them for a handsome amount, right? So you can do that same thing to any other section here. If you want to go into jewelry, you can come here and look for one. Sports, computer, anything at all. So that's how to go about it. So now that I'm done with these two websites, Amazon and AliExpress, I'll be showing you how to get your product. How to purchase those products and how to get a shipping agent that will bring those products from China and deliver them to Lagos to you. But that will be coming at a fee though, a little token. So how much will I be charging for the class? 5,000 naira only. So after watching this video, if you decide to sign up immediately, you will pay only 5,000. However, the next day after the video is taken down, the prices go up to become 10,000 naira. So only those, in fact, I can't even take plenty students at a time. I can only teach a few at a time, maximum of 10 each time. So I can only take 10. The first 10 persons, 5,000 naira. Anything after that, it's 10,000 naira. So see you around in the master class. And like I always say, like and subscribe so that when there's an update, I'll update you here. So bye bye, and see you again.